Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the YOTON 12.5 inches portable DVD player with 10.5 inches HD swivel screen for the car, for example, with of course a car charger is included and a power supply. It supports up to 6 hours playback with its built-in battery. And of course, you not only need DVDs, digital video disc, to operate with that device here, you can also use your USB stick or an SD card. And you can sync it with your television. And of course, multiple disc formats are available here too. The YOTON portable DVD player has a resolution of 1024 to 600, and the eye protection screen can be rotated 180 degrees in one angle, and you can rotate it at the other side up to 270 degrees. So we can change the angle as we like to get a perfect viewing angle according to our needs. And it's particle and practical. With its clear and smooth image quality, the YOTON portable DVD player can provide our children with a practical display and, for example, a learning tool. Helpful videos can be viewed repeatedly. It is easy to carry and the picture does not hurt our eyes, which brings us a quality of life to a higher level. The portable DVD player supports USB and SD cards, and it is compatible with DVD, SVCD, VCD, CD, compact disc, CDR, CDRW, compact discs, with JPEG, DVD, WMA, MPEG, MPG, MP3, DIVX, DIVX, VOB, AV, MP4, etc. Okay, this making it largely compatible and easy to view. That means you can burn your own DVDs, you burn your compact discs with a lot of movies, and then you can make the DVD player portable. That means there is a battery built in, and you can go, and it does not need a power supply up to 6 hours, and then you can start looking your favorite movies on vacation trip, on the ride, on a train, while you're on train, while you're on car, or in the plane, helicopter, in a fighting jet, where you like, okay? You can see what you like. And it's region-free. The portable DVD player is multi-language, so we can use it while traveling. It is detected to the country language and play local videos and movies well. So the multi-language and multilingual playback is smooth and unhindered. And of course, because of an AC charger which is included, and the AC charger goes from 100 volt up to 240, means you can play back or reload this device here with that AC charger all over the world. Nearly all over the world, of course. If you have a travel adapter, of course. Then we have a 3-in-1 AV cable in male and a car charger included. The car charger, of course, is for your 12-volt battery, which is in your automotive, in your car. With the AV cable, we can share the same film between two DVD players, for example. If we can't watch the children in the back seat while driving, so we can play their favorite cartoon movies in two DVDs at the same time. That's nice, really nice. We have a portable video player included, of course, and a remote control. With that remote control, we can control everything. But on the portable video player, there are buttons too, which we can use. We have a mode button, a setup button, USB, and the USB, okay, you can switch to USB by using the button there. And the USB is maximum 16 gigabyte, okay? The SD card is up to 16 gigabyte maximum capacity. Then we have a volume up, volume down button, USB or a card, so you can change. We have an OK button, fast forward, menu button, AV out, AV in, R and L channel, a fast rewind, the previous, the next button, LCD on or off button. If we only need the sound of the movie, we can switch to it. We have a power switch, a subtitle button, a charge port. We have an LCD menu and stop button and a power indicator, LED here. That means we have a lot of possibilities to use that device here. We have to place 2 AAA batteries into the remote control before use. The battery are not included, okay? We do not use the rechargeable batteries. We do not put all batteries. Maybe we should use new batteries with it. That means this is a good start with it. If we don't use the remote control for an extended period, we should take it out the batteries for prevent battery leakage, okay? We should recharge the battery for at least 12 hours before the intended use. If we connect the machine with the AC power, we can use it immediately, okay? Then we have screen protection. We have to remove the screen protection on the screen, which is used for protecting the screen from being scratched. We tear away the protector from the green label, and then we can start with that awesome device here. And there is more, a laser head protection. We have to remove the white card inside the player before we insert the disc. We do not touch the laser head or other parts with our hands. We should open the disc cover through the button in the bottom left corner of the panel. We do not force the disc cover apart with the hands directly, okay? And then we can connect the machine to an electricity power supply from 100 volt up to 240. We switch the button on the device to on the machine for the screen display. If not in use, we should switch it off, of course. If connected to a television, we have to change the TV input mode into AV, okay? Then we can play and pause easily. We play the media files in USB card for memory card. We switch the machine to DVD mode. We close the disc lid. We press the USB card key to play the files of an USB or an SD card. Up to 16 gigabyte, okay? It's a portable video player. The model is the YD105. The resolution is 1024 to 600. The swivel angle is 90 degrees to right and 180 degrees to left. The charging time is up to 6 or 8 hours. The working time is about 4 hours. The extended way is up to 6. The power consumption is 12 watt, and sorry about that. The product size 26 to 19 to 4 centimeters. These are 8.1 inches to 6.3 to 1.6 inches. The weight is approximately 1 kilogram and supported out devices USB and SD cards up to 16 gigabytes, and of course a lot of discs there. DVDs, SVCD, CD, CD-ROM, RW, JPEG, DVD, WMA, MPEG, MP3, DIVX, VOP, AV, MP4, etc., etc., etc. Okay, that is cool because if you're on travel or if you're on trip and it's boring, okay, it's boring, and then it's a good thing to have like this DVD player here, because this does not need the internet, for example. It does not need smart things on it. It only gives you the right to see our digital video discs, or we can see some video files, or of course pictures from our SD card or from our USB device easily and on the screen, which is really nice and rotatable and portable, because there is a built-in power supply which can support up to 6 hours. Okay, we can see pictures, we can see moving pictures, so we can see movies, we can see that on this portable DVD player with 2 sound speakers, so we can hear it in stereo sound. This is the awesome YOTON 12.5 inches portable DVD player. On the market is another dimension. That means it's a little bit compact, more compact designed device on the market too. This is the big version here, but it's nearly the same. The other is a little bit smaller, but it's the same. It's a portable DVD player with a smaller size of the screen size. Here it comes with 10.5 inches HD swivel screen for the car, for vacation, for trip, for where you like. In the nature, because it has a built-in battery system, and you can use USB card. You can use your headphones. You have an AV out and AV in. We have an on and off switch. The DC in 12 volt supply comes with it. The power supply can be over your energy socket, or it comes from your battery of your car. Really cool YOTON 12.5 inches portable DVD player. And it's not only for DVDs. It comes for USB and SD cards. We can sync it with the television, and of course we have a multiple disc formats which can be played on it. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.